sa sa re sa ni pa pa ni pa ma ga ma pa da da sa da pa pa da pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ma saraswati sharade ma saraswati sharade पूर्ण से अज्ञान उदधि से पूर्ण से अज्ञान उदधि से वीणा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I will be sharing information about Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami is celebrated on the eve of the birthday of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts. This festival is celebrated every year on the 5th day Panchami of the bright fortnight of the lunar month of March, which falls during the period of late January or early February. The word Vasant comes from the word spring, as this festival heralds the beginning of the spring season. Hindus celebrate Vasant Panchami with great fervor in temples, homes, and even schools and colleges. The most significant aspect of Vasant Panchami is that it is also the most auspicious day to begin laying one's foundations of education of how to read and write. Preschool children are given their first lesson in reading and writing on this day, and all Hindu educational institutions conduct special prayer for Saraswati on this day. Thank you.
बाजे छनक छनक पायल छनके खनक खनक कंगना बोले चल बाग में चुनरी